Guys, today we have a big video. We will see a big move today based on the CPI data, but not only that, we are also seeing some data right now showing us that we could see a big move according to this chart. So this has been very accurate previously. I'm going to let you know what you need to know about this here as well. Also, we do have some speculation about our massive Ethereum whale we have been talking about previously potentially being liquidated. So let's talk about that. Let's talk about everything you need to know going into this massive event today and moving forward. So welcome back everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So what can we see here for Bitcoin on the 4-hourly time frame? We're still being supported off of my orange line at 18,900. So nothing has changed here. In general, zooming out, we are still going sideways. We have been doing that for quite a while. So the strategy of trading this volatility, this upwards and downwards movement, these small pumps and these small dumps is still, something that has been very profitable and I am continuing to do here. But let's talk about what to expect later on today. So as we know, we do have the CPI coming in. The core inflation is expected to rise a little bit to 6.5%. So this is very interesting. Now, some analysts have been saying that we could potentially see the largest 40-year high inflation again, just like you saw back when we hit it the last time. So going down, the reason they make for this is that yes, while gasoline and used car prices have cooled off in recent months, rents and food costs have taken their place. That means households' finances are still going to be slammed by soaring prices nearly 2 years after inflation first leaped higher. They're expecting this to come in at, just like I said, 6.5% year over year. This is not what the Fed wants to see. And of course, if we do see that rise in core inflation, well, the markets are probably not going to react well. But just like I said yesterday as well, on the Trueflation index, this one right here, we've been seeing that the inflation have been or should have been going down recently here. So which one is it going to be? Is the inflation going to go up or is it going to go down? This is real-time data. This is data made by analysts. So both are valid. We will see what comes out of it. But nonetheless, it is going to be a massive event here. We could see a small pump here before seeing some more downside, because just looking at the charts, they look like they want to go down, guys. And also looking at this, you do see that we have the resistance up here. So even though we could see a small pump here, the resistance is not to be messed with. And we also have the support level down here at 18,300. So is there something else pointing towards a small pump and then a potential dump? Well, there is actually. So let me show you the Bollinger Bands. So the Bollinger Bands are right now squeezing, and it's looking like we are about to see a big move here. So you can see that we're squeezing inside of the Bollinger Bands right here. And let's look at an index. I want to show you every time we've been squeezing similarly like this previously, what has happened then. Well, let me show you this chart. So down here you have the index, meaning that when we are very low here on the index, we do have a very narrow Bollinger Band. And then when we are at a high level like here, you do have a very wide Bollinger Band. So just look at this between June and July. This was very wide. If we go back to this daily chart, you can see in June and July, we were very wide like this, okay? So whenever we're narrowing like this, we're narrowing like this, we do see a big move. So where is that move usually going? Well, usually we do see a small pump and then a significant dump after that. You can see that we squeezed right here. We did see a pump for Bitcoin and then we went down. We were squeezing here, did see a small pump and then we went down here as well. Small pump, went down. Here we just went down. We didn't even have a small pump. And here also small pump and then we went down. So in general, if you look at 2022 and 2021, in general, we do have a small fake out to the upside and then we go down or we just go down. So I just want to point this out, guys. Long term, midterm, I'm still a massive Bitcoin bull. I still think that these levels are very good buying opportunities for Bitcoin. But on the short term, if you're trading the short term volatility, you need to be aware of things like this. This has been the case previously when we have narrowed in the Bollinger Bands, small fake out and then down. And also the charts in general are looking like they want to go down. Of course, depending on what happens here, maybe we're going to get something completely out of the blue. Maybe inflation has gone down. significantly. In that case, of course, we're going to have a pump and things are going to be very, very different. But for now, we need to kind of make that estimation that we're not going to see a massive outlier on the data coming in. And of course, then we can have a reasonable expectation that the Fed are going to continue to tighten and the markets are going to continue to most likely trend down for at least a while. But again, massive buying opportunity, I think, either way, if you're holding it for the long term. So let's talk about this whale. Before we do that, I want to show you the leaderboard for the trading competition. So on the profit and losses, you have the top 5 people right here. And on the trading volume, you have these people. So the top 5 people in the trading volume and on the profit and loss, as you know, are going to get into my very exclusive Telegram group where you get direct access to me and some top traders. And yeah, if you want to join the trading competition still, you still have time. Just go down to the description of this video. You got the link here to sign up for OKX and also claim up to $10,000. Click this link right here, deposit $50 to your trading account, and you are in the competition. But now let's talk about this massive whale. So Frank Chaparro said, hearing things again. Now, he saw the same thing, or he said the same thing when 3 Arrows Capital were going down. I think also when Celsius, potentially also Luna were having trouble. Of course, a lot of people are paying attention to Frank Chaparro here. So he's the actual editor at the block. So, you know, news outlet having a lot of information coming into them. So Adam Cochran, who do we think it is this time? Who has gone bankrupt? Who has been liquidated? Some of the guesses, of course, include the Ethereum long whale. As you know, we do have this whale who is defending this price range down to 1,217. And yeah, we do have all of that evidence. If you don't know about it, not let me know, but watch my previous video from a couple of days ago. I talk about this whale, but potentially it could be this Ethereum whale who has been liquidated or whatever it may be, having trouble. Could also be something else. Could be Jump, given recent losses. Could be Wintermute. Both of these are like market makers. Could also be some exchanges, maybe, who had losses on the back of Luna. But the rumors are also that it is a crypto bank. But that would be surprising. So we will get more about this later, but it seems like there's something big happening behind the scenes here. We will see what comes out of that. What do you think, guys? Do you think that the massive Ethereum whale is still in the game, or do you think that he did indeed get liquidated sometime during this volatility? Guys, this is what I got for you today. Make sure to be prepared for the volatility later today, and I will see you in the next one.